If you're a man over 60 and your penis isn't what it used to be, if your erections are softer, your stamina's slipping, or there's just this dull numbness where there used to be power, you need to hear this. Because there's a spice. Yes, a simple, everyday spice your grandfather probably used without thinking that you can chew for just 60 seconds. And it may wake up your hidden strength. It can help restore your erection, reignite blood flow, and even support your testosterone. It's not some miracle pill, it's not hype, it's a forgotten science, quietly hiding in your kitchen, waiting for you to rediscover it. No prescription, no awkward appointments, no one even has to know. Just 60 seconds of chewing, and you might feel that spark flicker back to life, but only if you do it right. So stay with me, because this could change everything. If this speaks to you, if you've been feeling weaker, quieter, or like your strength has slipped through your fingers, type 1 in the comments right now. If not, type 0. Either way, know this. You are not alone. This channel exists for men like you. Men who are tired of being ignored, tired of feeling invisible, tired of pretending everything's fine. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and don't miss another life-changing health insight. Every day, we bring you real, natural ways to rebuild energy, erections, and confidence without pills and without shame. Let me tell you about David. He's 68, a retired engineer, steady hands, sharp mind, a man who spent his whole life solving problems for others, quietly, precisely. He built a good life, a strong family, but somewhere along the way something slipped. His erections had faded. He told me he hadn't woken up with that familiar fullness in years. No morning stir, no hunger, just silence. And when he looked at himself in the mirror, he said, "It's like the strength in my penis disappeared," and took something deeper with it. He'd tried everything. Pills gave him pounding headaches. Supplements didn't touch the problem. He began to believe this was just his new normal. That's when he came to me. I'm Catherine Rotker, and for over 30 years, I've helped men rebuild what aging tries to take away, without shame and without drugs. I didn't hand David another prescription. Instead, I asked him one question. Have you ever chewed clove? He looked at me like I was joking, but I wasn't. Because clove, the spice, holds something extraordinary. Just one small piece, chewed slowly for 60 seconds, has the power to unlock blood flow to the penis, naturally stimulate testosterone, and calm down the inflammation that slowly suffocates your strength. But only if you chew it. Not swallow, not brew, just chew. David tried it that night, and the next morning he called me, said he hadn't felt that kind of pressure, that kind of life in years. It wasn't a miracle. It was his body finally responding to what it had been needing all along. A natural signal, a forgotten spice, a second chance. The real enemy isn't your age. It's not genetics. It's not that you've done something wrong. It's two silent forces working against you every single day. Poor circulation and chronic inflammation. You can't see them. You can't feel them. At least not until the effects show up where it hurts the most. In your penis, your testosterone, your erections, and eventually your confidence. Over time, your blood vessels become stiff, narrow, less responsive. Your body loses its ability to pump blood efficiently where it matters most. So even if the desire is still there, your penis simply can't respond. Inflammation, fueled by years of stress, processed food, lack of sleep, and even loneliness, blocks the release of nitric oxide, a compound your body needs to open up those vessels and create strong, lasting blood flow. Without it, testosterone drops, erections weaken, you start to feel slow, tired, maybe even invisible, and when shame sets in, most men go silent. But your body still wants to fight for you. That's where clove comes in. Inside this simple spice is eugenol, a natural compound that does two things your body desperately needs. First, it relaxes the smooth muscle tissue in your penis, allowing more blood to flow in and stay in. Second, It helps stimulate your body's own testosterone production naturally and gently. That means more energy, more stamina, more strength behind your erections, and it all starts with one clove chewed properly. Here's how to do it right, because the details matter. Take one whole dried clove, not the powdered stuff, not oil in a capsule, a whole firm clove. Now place it between your back molars and gently chew it for about 60 seconds. Don't rush, don't swallow it whole. Let the juices release slowly into your saliva. You might feel a little numbness, a tingling on your tongue. That's not a bad sign. That's eugenol, the active compound in clove, waking up your nerve endings and helping your blood vessels open up. That's blood flow coming back online. Do this once in the morning and once in the evening, ideally about 30 minutes before a meal or before intimacy. Why? Because chewing activates enzymes in your saliva that help your body absorb eugenol naturally. It's far more effective than swallowing a pill. This simple act supports nitric oxide release, which your penis depends on to stay firm. It also supports your prostate, helping regulate fluid, drive, and overall erection quality. But quality matters. Get organic whole cloves, the kind you can actually feel and smell. Avoid the old dusty ones sitting in supermarket bins. Some men feel the difference the same day. For others, it takes a few days. But if you stay consistent, your body will respond. This isn't hype. It's not a trick. It's your body doing what it was designed to do once it gets the right signal. Just chew 60 seconds twice a day and feel your strength return, right where you thought it was gone for good. By day 3, something starts to shift. You wake up with just a little more energy. The fog you've gotten used to, it lifts, even slightly. You might even feel a stir down there. It's subtle, but it's real. By day 7, your blood flow improves. You notice it when your erections start to feel firmer, less hesitant. You catch yourself standing taller, walking with a little more purpose. That part of you that felt disconnected, it's waking up. By day 14, your body feels on. Like the machine is finally warming up again. There's strength in your grip, steadiness in your mood, and that quiet hum of performance returning, not just in the bedroom, but in how you carry yourself. And by day 30, you're back. Stronger erections, steady energy, confidence that doesn't need to be forced. You stop avoiding the mirror. You stop making excuses because you feel like you again. This isn't just about the penis. It's about reclaiming the part of you that refuses to give up. The part that still wants to be chosen, touched, admired. You're not done, not even close. The most dangerous mistake men make with this practice? Inconsistency. You can't chew a clove once, skip 3 days, then try again next week and expect your penis to respond. That's not how this works. You're not chasing a quick fix. You're retraining your body. The second mistake? Chewing too fast or swallowing it whole. You're not just eating a spice, you're activating compounds. That takes time. Your saliva breaks it down. That's where the magic starts. So take it slow. Chew for a full 60 seconds, twice a day, every day. Your penis didn't weaken in a day, but piece by piece, clove by clove, it can come back if you're consistent. Look, you're not broken, you're not too old, and you're not alone. Your penis hasn't given up, your erections haven't disappeared, your strength hasn't vanished. They've just been buried under years of stress, under silence, under the belief that this is just how it is now. But I need you to hear me clearly. Your body still remembers. It still responds. All it needs is the right signal. That signal might be smaller than you imagine. One clove, just 60 seconds, twice a day. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming confidence, intimacy, energy, dignity. Because when your body works the way it should, when your erections return, when your strength rises again, it changes everything. The way you walk, the way you look in the mirror, the way you show up in the world. So if this spoke to something deep inside you, don't stay quiet. Type "I'm ready" in the comments. And know this, when you speak up, other men will see it, and they'll feel a little less alone. Subscribe, tap the bell, because we're just getting started, bringing you real answers, doctor-backed, shame-free. You're not done. You're not broken. Your strength is still there, and it might begin with a single spice.